At OrthoPro, we have various methods of obtaining the images that we need in order to create your device. One of those is scanning with a Spectra Scanner. Another can be the iPads that we use to scan people's feet for custom inserts. Another is actually on an iPhone, the comb scanner. And it offers an opportunity for us to approach scanning in various ways that we can get the best image for your device. The Spectra Scanner is a highly accurate scanner that's designed to work specifically with our CAD/CAM programs in order to design the devices digitally. It's very accurate, and that's why we use it for the cranial remolding orthoses, so we get the best fit for these little babies that need help. For prosthetic devices such as transfemoral, transtibial devices, we get such an accurate representation. We can see each groove and little niche within that image. We know exactly where we are and exactly what we need to do in order to modify it and create that check socket, create that definitive prosthesis for the best fit and the best function. The iPad is what we use to create custom insoles for our diabetic footwear patients. It takes such an image that the custom insole fits perfectly for the patient, protects their feet against the ravages of diabetes, and ensures that we have a comfortable fit for that patient. The comb scanner is a newer technology in a smaller package utilizing the iPhone and its front-facing facial recognition camera in order to take the image that we need in order to create the digital copy. Any scanner can take measurements and volume. The comb scanner is very handy in order for us to follow up with patients, whether it's their leg for an AFO or a transtibial, other type of prosthetic application. We take history of the limb size and your weight to make sure that we get the best fit possible. At OrthoPro, we have some of the best scanning technologies available to us in order to provide the best fit and function for you and your device. To learn more, please call us or visit our website.